So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase the space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 78,104. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various bits of car and trip computer info. We're on the driving data menu at the moment. There are other menus available to you as well. So assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back around to the menu we started on a moment ago. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo controls over this side. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side just here, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. Behind the steering wheel, we have the minus plus pedals. That is so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then in the center, we have the main screen for the car. So we are on the radio menu at the moment. You can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Hit the media button. And then you've got plenty of ways to listen to your own music, and they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you can also stream your music wirelessly as well. Once you've paired your phone, of course, which is done on the screen just here. This car's also got satellite navigation. A lovely clear colour display, as you can see. It's a very, very easy system to use. Working our way down, we then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car, which is a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set here. And that's on at the minute. You can turn that off whenever you wish to. We have some storage underneath here, along with the USB and auxiliary inputs. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. You can change the driving modes of the car, so you can put it into eco, normal, sport, or individual. Under individual, you can customize the settings shown on the screen now. The last thing I wanted to mention is the sunroof. So we have a blind that will open up just here. Of course, you can leave this closed like it is now, and it will let a lot of extra light into the cabin area. But if you wish to, it will open as a full sliding sunroof as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.